date. Yay! Return of the day date. It's been forever. So we're headed to Leuven. If you were in like the Mons shape area, it's about an hour away. So we're gonna go walk the Japanese gardens, which is like a botanical garden there in the city. And the wisteria, I believe, are in full bloom. So we saw a recommendation from a local like parenting group to go. By the way, if you're not in these groups, get in some of those groups because it's kind of better than just like random tourist recommendations. We're headed there, we're gonna have lunch and explore the city. So here we go. All right, so we are here and we parked at Parking St. Jacob. It's right around the corner and we're gonna figure out if it's free or not. There wasn't,
I don't know, I didn't see a sign.
There wasn't signs, but one thing, traffic was bananas getting here, so it took longer than an hour. So here we go inside of the Botanical Gardens. So right here at the entrance is all the signs. It's in Dutch, so just be prepared to translate things, but we're excited to go in.
For now.
This is awesome.
They might when you come.
You never know, but they're open and all that. I'm going to show you. They have everything going.
Super gorgeous.
Super good, gorgeous rhododendrons. That's beautiful. Let me just flip you around. So if you're over off to the side of this little water feature, first of all, there's a lookout. We'll go down there in a second. And then all the beautiful flowers. But there's loads of benches, so you could totally sit, hang out, have lunch. We made reservations for lunch, so we're not actually going to be eating here. But how cute is this lookout?
Oh, there's fish.
There's koi.
Hello, fish.
Come on, get in the boat. Fish.
Calm down, fish. Name that movie.
Despicable Me.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, well now I could just sit and watch fish all day. It's a little hard. There you go. You can see those easier.
They're huge.
They're huge. And very, like, vivid colors. Okay. What the cute little creek. You guys, it's so intricate for such a small area. Like, I love it, and there's so much to see here.
Don't forget that everywhere there is a sign saying what you're looking at.
So you look like, you can see Iris sibirica, I don't know. Things in life I'm not good at. Plant names, plant anything. I kind of keep stuff alive. Up the path, it looks like there's nothing up here, but there is, so make sure you come all the way to the back, past the bronze statue of the lady gardening. I don't know what she's doing, that's a guess. It's really beautiful up here, I love it. sounds. It's like this beautiful, huge, like secret garden back here. And it just keeps going and going and going. I love it. The hydrangeas in about a month or so are going to be amazing. So if you miss the wisteria, come back for the hydrangeas. Definitely. Our lack of understanding on the signs is the problem, but there's tons of stuff. It looks like roses, maybe some kind of berries or fruit are growing here. Like this tree has stuff on it. I know at our house our cherries are starting to grow, so maybe it's what some of these are, the tree wise, but the bushes, like there's so much growing here. It's so pretty. Over here growing on these trellises is pears. I understood the French. I'm regretting not bringing our own food to have lunch here. We're still excited about around the city, but like I'd love to just sit here all day and eat and explore because it's so pretty. So we walked around the whole thing. We do have a lunch reservation we need to keep, plus we're hungry. Our quick walk of not even every single aisle, I'm sure we barely scratched the surface, was about what, 30 minutes?
Yeah.
So a quick walk is 30 minutes. If you want to stay forever, like stay forever. So that's it from the gardens. We're gonna go ahead and head over to the restaurant next. All right, so getting out of St. Peter's parking lot, there's a lot of construction, and also because terraces are now open for eating outside, they're actually blocking off streets completely so you can't turn where you want to. So if you're trying to get out of that parking lot and you're under a time constraint, just like give yourself some time to get out, because yeesh, the construction and the road closures and all of it is a bit bananas. All right, so we found parking. It is a little pricey, but there's not a lot of options because this whole area, there's no street parking. It's just underground, and to kind of get you right by all of this food and I don't know, touristy shops, whatever you want to call it, the churches, everything we're gonna go explore. So I'll drop a pin for where this parking garage is. It's right next to the restaurant that we are eating at. So we're gonna find ourselves a space and go eat. Outside seating. It is so pretty.
So the meal, we had to do a little digging around, but it's been good. So if you want the English translation of this menu, you go online and you can find the English translation of everything. So there is different sections of the menu. There's beef, there's lamb, chicken, and pork. So those are the different sections. In each section, they have a starter, and then they'll have the main menu entree, and any extras that you'd like to be able to buy. So like, for example, you could be able to get sauces for it, which we did. Those are extra charges. Each meal comes with frites or french fries, and it also comes with a salad.
And if you don't want fries, they have.
Yeah, if you don't want fries, you can be able to get roasted potatoes, croquettes, and mashed potatoes. Yeah.
There's 2 different sausages, and I'm hoping this is focusing in. And it's a white sausage, it's more Flemish, with like a sherried cherry on top. And then another one that has whole grain mustard.
And then on this side, looks like we have an onion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay, an onion. This is your, what was there's a pork
roulette.
Roulette, okay. I don't know what this one is.
Lard.
Okay. And this one is a butter.
Mm-hmm. And the pickles and homemade bread. Ready? I'm just gonna go for it.
Go for it.
really good, delicate. The mustard really balances the sausage flavor. Uh-oh. Cherry pit. Mmm.
Which one do you like better?
The one with the cherry. Both really good.
Would I like them? Okay, which one do you recommend I take first?
Do the cherry one first.
Cherry
and just
one.
bite carefully because there might be a pit in there. Tender and soft. Yes to the pit.
I think the sauce makes it.
Yeah.
That was really good.
Mixed feelings.
You tricked me on that one. I'd say no on that one. I'm not a mustard guy. That's the only reason why. Both have the same texture, and both is not a sausage texture in my view. It doesn't feel like a sausage to me.
It reminds me of like the Vienna sausages from cans, but I know this is like a healthy, amazing kind versus like a garbage kind. All right, we've never had this before. It is pork roulette, and you have it on your bread.
I took the pork, and I've put it on here. We'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna do it just straight.
Yep. Good.
Yeah, that's good. The bread is amazing, but the pork reminds me of tuna.
Oh, okay.
So if you have some,
Consistency-wise.
the consistency-wise.
Right. This is their homemade butter. I am very creamy and definitely like a really high, good fat content. Very good. Got the mixed meat, so I have a little bit of everything to try. And I got with fries and salad, and I ordered some mayonnaise. It's homemade mayo. All right, sir, what did you get?
I got the sirloin steak, medium rare, and then it had some fries, salad, and a mushroom sauce. So that's the steak, medium rare.
The herbs on the fries are really good. The mayonnaise is really good.
What did you eat?
A fry. This is the sausage. I'll have to look up and like put below what each animal it is. That is good.
I thought that face was a hot face or something.
No. Oh, so seasoned, so full of flavor. Chicken's chicken. Also really good.
Is the hamburger that they said?
I think so. Really good flavoring.
You're cutting this with a butter knife.
Yeah, so pardon me for, and the plate has like weird ridges. Really good.
Tender. Looks tender.
It's really good.
Okay, anything else you need to try?
The kebab. It is. That's good. I think it's two different meats. And that was pork. Really good. Maybe lamb. Really good. Let me catch you with your mouth full, huh?
Good steak. Nice and tender. Usually I need to add salt or something to it. In my opinion, it doesn't need any extra seasoning. So it's really, really good. But the part that I wanted to show, first of all, I'm cutting with a butter knife, and it still can cut it pretty well, is there's this mushroom sauce.
Does it make it just beyond?
The mushroom sauce gives it a little bit of a kind of earthy taste, if that's the best way to describe it. It's really, really good. I would say the mushroom sauce, though, does need salt, but everything else is good.
Here's what the inside normally looks like. And it goes all the way back. There's restrooms. And they have a little counter here of their fresh food that you can buy because it's all straight from the farm. Here it is, Dan Angelis. It's just outside. Voila. So good. We're gonna go down here and go explore now. Alright, so we got in here just as all the vendors are tearing it down, so sorry for the noise, but there was a whole market going on here. Food trucks, clothing, there's a bakery one right over there, chicken and linens and everything. It's like they do this all the time, It would have been cool if we would have gotten here a little bit earlier because they're all tearing down now. But look at where it is and what's right behind everything. Like, look at this building. Isn't it gorgeous? We'll figure out what it is.
It's gotta be a church, right? Or I don't know. But here's the market. We gotta come here again someday.
We're definitely coming back because this place is amazing, and I don't know if it's just underrated by everybody else, but I've loved it here. Found the statue right here. I'll put it there. Walking around is super cool. There is cool shops. These roads are mostly bikes and buses only, so that's interesting. But there's so much to see here. Like, underestimated completely how much we should be visiting this city. Alright, forgive me for not looking at names first and for standing in front of a sign, but oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? I'm gonna go right in there to that market area. Alright, so just down a couple blocks from where we had lunch is this little market. I'll get the name, I'm so sorry. We just are now like wandering, but I knew this was down here. So definitely come over. Look at this church. We're dying. Not only that, turn around. The one we're standing in front of. Also amazing. So, no, this is the Grotte Market. So this is the Grand Place, part of it, at least. It says Grotte Market, which I do believe is Grand Place. So we're gonna walk around. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So that says Grotte Market. Then we have this magnificent building over here to where there's like restaurants and everyone eating. And this church is so massive. It is still like taking up the entire block. It is so big and beautiful. Okay, so right behind me is Royal Donuts, which says the best donuts in Belgium. So how can you not stop here? So they have the most unique flavors I've ever seen. We got one plain chocolate, baseline flavor, that's cool, and then a I think it's strawberry cheesecake. I'm so excited. Before I die.
They say they're the best.
Okay, I'm gonna try just the cheesecake on top. There's chocolate in it too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so good.
Is it the best in Belgium that you've tried?
Yes, hands down.
So they say it's the best in Belgium. We are correct.
We are. Do you want to try your chocolate one?
I'll try it later. It's chocolate.
Okay. Alright, so I just have to say, I absolutely adore Leuven. The cobblestone street. We have passed through once, and when we passed through, it was raining, so we couldn't even see what we were missing. And oh my gosh, there's so much to see. So many restaurants and shopping and historical sites, churches, buildings, everything is beautiful everywhere.
Like, this is a staycation place I'd like to try.
Yeah. Right. Yes, this is now on our hot list for staycation because love. Like, we are in love. It is the coolest city. The college vibe is cool. Like, there's just tons of stuff to do and things to see, and the food was amazing. The city is, anyway, I could go on and on and on about how cool the city is. So that is it from us. Seriously, come check out Leuven. If you have not been, it is amazing. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. Have you ever even heard of Leuven? Like, come tell us all about if you know about it. And what did I say? Subscribe, all the things. You know what to do. And we'll see you later.